Hello, Mike with MatterFix.io here, doing a quick video to kind of give some more information about these brand new Matterport Pro2 cameras that we're selling. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with us, at MatterFix.io, we're an authorized service provider for all of Matterport's cameras. We can do in-warranty and out-of-warranty repairs for the Pro2 and the Pro3 camera. Now, when you purchase this Pro2 camera from us, the price is going to include free UPS ground shipping, a 1-year warranty. Now the warranty is through us, so if you were to have an issue with the camera, we'll repair it or replace it at no charge, and you'll find we're very responsive and very quick to handle should something arise. An additional thing on the warranty, though, I will point out is it covers any defects. If you're operating the camera and something doesn't work the way it's supposed to, we'll take care of it. If you drop the camera and it causes something to not work correctly, then you'll have to send that in for a repair, but you'll find our repair prices are quite reasonable and our turnaround time is really quick. So for the price that you're paying, you get free shipping, you get the 1-year warranty, and then typically we do not charge sales tax if the camera is shipped outside of Florida. The only caveat to that is if you were to purchase this camera on eBay, they automatically are going to add the sales tax into that. So 1-year warranty, free shipping, in most cases, no sales tax. Now, so what are you getting? Well, this particular batch of cameras that we have, these are brand new, never been opened, factory sealed. They come in a really nice protective hard case. It has 4 clips on it. And when you open it up, you'll notice that it has, of course, the quick start guide comes with it. The camera itself is sealed in the factory sealed in the plastic, and the accessories are there. You'll notice that it has a custom foam insert cut for it. Now, when you first get it, when it has the plastic on it, it's a little bit difficult to actually get the camera out. As you can see, it's pretty tight, but if you pull up on the plastic, then once you get it started, easy, it pops out. So you're getting the camera itself brand new, sealed in the original factory plastic. Typically we will plug a charger into them and charge the batteries fully up to make sure that they hold the full charge. Other than that, we don't do anything with the cameras. So it has a plastic wrap on it. And then also, when you get one of these cameras, you take the plastic wrap off, please remember to take off the protective covers over the 6 lenses. It's easy sometimes to kind of overlook that, and that will definitely affect the image quality. So you're getting the brand new camera in the original plastic wrap. You're also going to get the AC adapter, which is comprised of a cord and the charging block, and then a cable that goes from the block to charge the camera up. And then last, you're going to get a tripod adapter. So if you're not familiar with the Matterport cameras, typically what you're going to do is you're going to have a tripod, a photography tripod. We recommend the Manfrotto 190 or 190 or 190X3 or 190X4. Those are really good solid tripods. And on the top plate of the tripod, there's going to be a 3/8 inch stud that sticks up. You're going to screw this adapter down till it's tight. Then you open this arm, this lever here, and there's a plate on the bottom of the camera. You slide it in to where it's in the center, then clamp it down, and that holds the camera in place while you're scanning. So once you've done that, then you can turn everything on, push the button, the camera does its scanning. So as you can see, you're getting everything brand new. Our prices are real reasonable, and you also find that our customer support is excellent. If you have any issues with the camera, even if you're new to Matterport and you have some questions about using the platform, you can always reach out to us and we'll take care of you. And if you have any additional questions, drop us an email, info@matterfix.io, and we'd be happy to provide any additional information. Thank you.